Sprinting to the future of law. Caring for Mother Earth. Sustainability with NetZero Buildings. Part 3. Use cases. In the previous part of this issue, we examined the India story with NetZero Buildings. In this part, we will talk about who could be interested in NetZero Buildings. NetZero Buildings not only reduce the carbon footprint and contribute to reducing climate change, they also significantly reduce energy costs for operating buildings. So the real estate sector would be most interested in them. Residential houses, office spaces, industrial complexes, hotels, shopping malls, and even hospitals can become net zero buildings. For net zero building material companies can also further develop and offer green cement and other alternate forms of cements, eco-friendly paints, energy efficient and reflective glass, solar electric panels, and solar water heaters, etc. The logistics sector is another group who should be interested in net zero buildings. Warehouses, transport depots, railway stations, airports, seaports can benefit significantly from net zero building technologies. For manufacturing sector, net zero building technologies can significantly improve factory plants, raw material and finished goods storage spaces, and administrative buildings. Local and regional governments should also look into this technology for government buildings, government hospitals, industrial parks, convention centers, educational institutes, and other government buildings. Net zero buildings can also provide a stepping stone for developing smart cities. In the next part of this issue, we will discuss some legal and environmental issues with net zero buildings.